Welcome back to Product Critique, where we review the best products to help you make informed decisions. Today, we're diving into the world of heartfelt gestures with the Decorably thank you cards. Specifically, we're exploring why these are touted as the best purple thank you cards with envelopes on the market. Let's start with an overview. The Decorably thank you cards come in a pack of 24 beautifully designed cards. Each card features a stunning lavender-purple color with elegant gold foil accents. They measure 6 by 4 inches, providing ample space inside for your personalized messages. What sets these cards apart are their matching envelopes and stickers. You get 24 envelopes in 3 designs, each with a pre-water soluble gum closure and a printed lining. The 24 sticker seals also come in 6 designs, allowing you to mix and match for that perfect finishing touch. The elegant gold foil print adds a touch of luxury and sophistication to each card. Whether you're expressing gratitude at a wedding, baby shower, or any special occasion, these cards are designed to leave a lasting impression. Speaking of occasions, these cards are versatile. From formal events to more casual celebrations, the Decorably thank you cards fit seamlessly into any setting. They're not just cards. They're a statement of style and appreciation. Decorably stands behind their product with a solid assurance of quality and customer satisfaction. If for any reason you're not completely delighted with your purchase, they're committed to making it right. At just $8.99 for the pack, which comes down to about 37 cents per card, these cards offer incredible value. They're affordable without compromising on style or quality, making them a smart choice for anyone who wants to express gratitude with a touch of elegance. In conclusion, the Decorably thank you cards with envelopes and stickers are more than just cards. They're a testament to thoughtful appreciation. With their stunning design, quality materials, and versatility, they truly stand out as the best purple thank you cards available today. That wraps up our review of the Decorably thank you cards. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more reviews on products that matter. Thanks for watching Product Critique, and we'll see you next time.